Let's start with simple. Opening the cutoff while building up. Let's make it better. Start with your filter. Add a small, really tight reverb. Add a whole reverb with very low mix. Clean up the lows. Finish it with a heavy saturation. Map your macro to filter and saturation mix. Keep your reverb mix subtle and saturation mix around 60%. Now just automate the macro. Simple cutoff. Hear the huge energy difference? You got me hypnotized. You got me hypnotized. Vocal throws can really add an extra sauce to your vocals. Create a parallel delay with a longer delay setting. Add a slight reverb for gluing. Find the words that you like to repeat. This one. And automate the volumes going into delay on those parts. Fade in, fade out. Repeat in other words that you like. Across the street, give you a say. Look how beautiful this connects now. When you have groovy songs and the parts that goes from bright to dark, let's make this transition more epic. Create a parallel chain, start with stereo widener tool, I'm using ozone. Add a compression, really important, add a super small tight reverb. All we need to do is slightly increase the volume of the parallel chain and cut it off with the drop. Wasn't that just epic without? With. You have to abuse this. Sometimes you choose chaos. Pick any echo tool you like. The trick will be the feedback. Create a macro for the feedback, 0 to 130%, mix 0 to 21%. Add an overdrive, add a resonance suppressor to remove super resonances, and limiter just to control peaks and loudness. And here, chaos bringing energy and excitement to your track. That was a wow. There is an easy tool to add energy in your techno tracks. Create a return channel, send your lead and the drums to there. Start with very aggressive fast compression. Distort it and finally keep it very aggressively. Now the trick, automating the send when you want the energy to go up. Add a utility and bring down the loudness a bit to balance the overall loudness. Really subtle energy increase right there. When you have cleaner sounds like this, add a chorus, map the rate of the chorus at a high shelf, map the gain to the same macro, and then add a reverb, map the mix to the same macro. Reverb up to 15% and high shelf up to 5 dB. Automate the cutoff to create tension around your turnarounds. In context, when you want to emphasize certain notes, consider additional layers with different timbres. Engine 2 has a square, weird screaming sound. Engine 1 has that sawtooth. What if we automate the Engine 2 output so it gets exaggerated at those high notes? Add a bit modulation there too. Listen emotions to come through. Do you need character in your hat? Create a parallel chain. Start with a reverb. The reverb doesn't need to be full wet. Add a heavy distortion. EQ out. Now map dry and wet contrary to each other. So when you turn right, the wet gets heavier, louder, and when you try left, the dry gets louder. Now automate that. If you want to go avant-garde, create a chord progression you enjoy. Add an arpeggiator, but add to the chord trigger. First thing, what we need, map the rate and the cutoff filter. Arpeggiated chord trigger will sound like this. Instead of single hit, it will repeat the hit. And we will automate this going faster and faster and faster while opening the cutoff more and more and more. If you enjoyed the video, please consider like and subscribe or find more videos here.